Hey art fans, so I am back and I am trying a new pour technique. It's just basically just pouring in. I'm going to be doing swiping as well. And I've never really done a full swipe or just a normal pour slash swipe. So this will be my first. Um, so let me get my gloves on and we will start this. This is going to be another fall themed. It's going to have green in it, so it'll feel more fall themed. But it's going to also have yellow, orange, and red. The same type of mixtures, except for the green is brilliant green mixed with a little bit of azo yellow, just to give it that like green turning yellow feel. So I have two sets of whites. One is for swiping white, and this is going to be for the edges. So I'm going to go ahead and put the white on. Okay, first. Just gonna try to even it out. I'll go in there and I'll play with it more later, but I'm just trying to even it out for now. Okay. So we'll start with the middle, which is going to be red. I'm going to go red, orange, orange, yellow, yellow, green, green. Okay. Do a little bit of white. I may have to make more white because it used up more white than I thought, but it is fine. I'll just merge the two white cups that I have. You know what, I don't want to do that. In fact, I'm just going to go straight colors and then do a little bit of swiping at the end. Trial and error. This is all trial and error. I've never done this, so I really am in uncharted territory for myself. Ooh, I like the way that happened. That's exciting. Okay. Get all the yellow out. Okay. And let's go in with the green. I may have to make more green. Okay. Trying to think, how can I make this look more fall? What am I missing? Okay, so I'm going to start swiping just to see if I get any really cool effects. And then what I might do is, after off of camera, I may tilt it just a tad, just to get it to flow off the edges. So let's try this. And if it's a bust, then, you know, I will try a different technique next time. I don't know which way to start. I honestly don't. Let's try this way first. I don't want to scrape off too much paint, which I kind of did right here, but we're just going like this. Pull back a little bit. It looks like I'm losing a lot of the yellow, but like I said, this is trial and error. I've never done this before. Okay. Don't know what to do. Honestly, I think I'm just going to tilt it. So this is it for now. I'm going to stop, play with it a little bit more, and I'll be back. Hey art fans, I am back. I have finished swiping and doing all my techniques, and this is what has transpired. Look at this. I have never done anything like this, so this is very new for me. I kind of feel like an ink blot, but with color. And I mean, look at the cells. And that's just from swiping, as you could see. I put a little bit of green in the middle just to offset the red. And I swiped a little bit on there. Gorgeous, just gorgeous stuff. I may put a little bit of orange in the middle. I don't know. But I'm probably not going to touch it much more. Wow, beautiful. You get your yellow, you get your orange. Just gorgeous stuff. Really, really is. Really love it. So, well, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and follow me on Facebook. Also, if you ever get to East Hartford and get to Sunlight Spas, I have some artwork, and this one here will be going into the shop. So, if you like it, take a stop by and take a look. And I will see you next time. Thank you.